Hello students, how are you all? I hope you all are fine and staying home safely. So students, myself your computer and GK teachers from LPM Public School, which is situated in Gola Bazar, Gorakhpur. So students, from few days we are doing the revision on subject computer. We have completed the revisions on some chapters, that is chapter 1 to 6. In previous video we have completed the revisional explanation of chapter 6, that is more about TuxPaint. Today I am going to give you the explanation related to the chapter 6, more about TuxPaint's book exercises. So we will do the revision on book exercises. See here, before I start the revision on book exercises, we will go through the summary of the chapter. Go through the summary of the chapter, more about TuxPaint. See here, this is the summary. In this we have studied that mosaic effect. Mosaic effect gives an effect that numerous small colored pieces of stones or glasses have been used to create a drawing. मीन्स मोसाइक इफेक्ट्स में हमने क्या पढ़ा था कि मोसाइक इफेक्ट जो है एक ऐसा इफेक्ट्स देता है हमें जिसमें बहुत सारे स्मॉल कलर्ड पीसेस ऑफ स्टोन्स और ग्लासेस जो है वो ड्राइंग्स में क्रिएट होते हैं. एंड सेकेंड इज कैलिडोस्कोप इफेक्ट क्रिएट्स आर्टिस्टिक फ्री हैंड पैटर्न. कैलिडोस्कोप इफेक्ट जो है एक आर्टिस्टिक फ्री हैंड पैटर्न है. इट हैज़ 4 सिमेट्रिक ब्रशेस. और इसके अलावा कैलिडोस्कोप इफेक्ट्स में 4 सिमेट्रिक ब्रशेस भी होते हैं. थर्ड पॉइंट इज अ स्टोरी बोर्ड. अ स्टोरी बोर्ड इज लाइक अ मॉकअप विच कंटेन्स अ सीरीज ऑफ पिक्चर्स दैट डिस्प्लेज द फ्लो ऑफ अ स्टोरी. स्टोरी बोर्ड जो एक तरह का ऐसा बोर्ड होता है जिसपे हम कोई भी पिक्चर्स ऑफ सीरीज जो भी इसमें रहता है, कंटेंट होता है, वो पिक्चर जो एक तरह से एक स्टोरी को फ्लो करता है. उसको देखने पे लगता है कि हाँ क्या स्टोरी है इस पिक्चर्स की, दैट वी कैन बी इजली अंडरस्टैंड. सो स्टोरी बोर्ड फ्लोज द स्टोरी. Last point, slideshow means to display the selected drawings in a paper in a proper order one by one. Slideshow means what? Slideshow means ये होता है कि हमने जो भी ड्राइंग्स हमने सेलेक्ट किए हैं उन सारे ड्राइंग्स को एक प्रॉपर ऑर्डर में 1 by 1 करके अरेंज करते हैं. That is known as the slide shows. Okay. So this is the summary of the chapter 6. More about TuxPaint. Now let's start the book exercise. The first one is tick the correct answer. The first one is tick the correct answer. Which of the following is a paint program? Which of the following is a paint program? We have 3 options: TuxPaint, MS Word, calculator. TuxPaint, MS Word and calculator. Can you guess कौन से प्रोग्राम किस में हमें पेंट प्रोग्राम मिलेगा? इज इट इन कैलकुलेटर? नो. इन MS Word? नो. देन वी विल गेट द पेंट प्रोग्राम इन TuxPaint. So correct answer is TuxPaint. Spell okay. The correct answer is TuxPaint. Now come to the next. That is second question number 2. This magic effect creates a pattern of small colored stones or glasses. This magic effect creates a pattern of small colored stones or glasses. Okay. So there are also 3 options. We have kaleidoscope, then second is lighten, and third is mosaic. We have 3 options here. Is it the kaleidoscope? No. Lighten? No. So correct answer is mosaic. Mosaic effect is a magic effect that creates a pattern of small colored stones or glasses. Okay. Now come to the spelling of mosaic is MOSAIC. Mosaic. Now come to the next, that is third one. It has 4 symmetric brushes. It has 4 symmetric brushes. In that we have 3 options: mosaic, kaleidoscope and lighten. So is it mosaic having the 4 symmetric brushes? No. Lighten has? No. So correct answer is kaleidoscope. Kaleidoscope has 4 symmetric brushes. Spelling is Kaleidoscope. Kaleidoscope. Okay. Now come to the next, that is fourth one. It is a mock-up that displays the flow of a story. It is a mock-up that displays the flow of a story. We have 3 options: storyboard, stamp, slideshow. We have 3 options: storyboard, stamp, slideshow. Okay, so the correct answer is it slideshow? No. Stamp? No. So correct answer is storyboard. Storyboard is a mock-up that displays the flow of a story. Spelling is STORYBOARD. Storyboard. So by this we have completed the exercise A. Now come to the next exercise, that is exercise B. Fill in the blanks. Fill in the blanks. In that also we have to solve 4 questions. Let's start. The first one is, you can increase or decrease the text by clicking the up or down arrow in the dash. The answer is selector box. Spelling is SELECTOR. Selector, BOX. Box. Selector box. Okay. Now come to the next, that is second one. TuxPaint is a dash software. TuxPaint is a dash software. So answer is free. TuxPaint is a free software. The spelling is FREE. Free. Okay. Now come to the next, that is third one. Dash tool fades the colors of a part of the drawing. Dash tool fades the colors of a part of the drawing. So answer is lighten. Answer is what? Lighten. Spelling is LIGHTEN. Lighten. Lighten tool fades the colors of a part of the drawing. Now come to the next, that is fourth one. Dash button deletes the drawing from TuxPaint. Dash button deletes the drawing from TuxPaint. Answer is eraser. Eraser button. Answer is eraser. Eraser button deletes the drawing from TuxPaint. So spelling is ERASE. 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 Erase button. So by this we have completed exercise B. Now come to the next exercise, that is C. Answer in one word. See here, in answer in one word, name the option that starts the slideshow. Name the option that starts the slideshow. So can you guess? Can you tell me what is the option that starts the slideshow? Yes? Anyone? Yes. The answer is what? Play button. The answer is play button. So spelling is PLAY, play, BUTTEN, button. Okay, BUTTEN, button. I repeat again. PLAY, play, BUTTON, play button. Okay, play button. Next is Second one, that is the drawing mascot in tux paint. The drawing mascot in tux paint. So the drawing mascot in tux paint is, can you guess what is the drawing mascot in tux paint? Yes, it is penguin. The answer is penguin. Spelling is P-E-N. Spelling is P-E-N. G-U-I-N. Penguin. The answer is penguin. Okay. Now come to the next. That is question number 3rd. That is what? Question number 3rd. Okay. See here. The question number 3rd. So in question number 3rd, this tool changes the direction of an image. Can you guess which tool changes the direction of an image? Yes. Image tool option. Image tool option. So I spelling is I-M-A-G-E. Image. T-O-O-L. Tool. O-P-T-I-O-N. Option. So image tool option. Image tool changes the direction of an image. Okay, image tool option changes the direction of an image. Now come to the next, that is question number 4. The tool used to add text in a drawing. The tool used to add text in a drawing. So answer is text tool. Which tool is used to add text in a drawing? Text tool. So spelling is T-E-X-T. Text. I repeat again. Spelling is T-E-X-T. Text. T-O-O-L. Tool. So text tool is used to add text in a drawing. So by this we have completed exercise C. That is answered in one word. Now come to the next one. That is exercise D. Answer the following questions. Answer the following questions here. This is answer the following questions. Okay. Let's start. First one is write any 3 features on tux paint. Write any 3 features on tux paint. So here tux paint is a free software specially designed for young children. Okay. Some features of tux paint. It has various tools. That helps a child to create beautiful drawing and scenes. This is the first use. And second use is in the help area of tux paint window, the hints, informations and tips on how to use a tool use displayed. Okay. Then next third point. See here, third point is it plays sound effect. In third what? It plays sound effect when tools are selected and used. So these are the features of the tux paint. Now come to the next question, that is question number 2. What is a storyboard? What is a storyboard? What is it used for? So a storyboard is like a mock-up which contains a series of pictures that displays the flow of a story. I repeat the answer again. A storyboard is like a mock-up which contains a series of pictures that displays the flow of a story. Okay. So by this now come to the next question, that is question number 3. Differentiate between mosaic and kaleidoscope effect. Differentiate between mosaic and kaleidoscope effect. So first, mosaic effect. Mosaic effect gives an effect that numerous small colored pieces of stones or glasses have been used to create a drawing. I repeat again. Mosaic effect gives an effect that numerous small colored pieces of stones or glasses have been used to create a drawing. So this is the mosaic effect. Now come to the next one, that is kaleidoscope effect. Kaleidoscope effect creates artistic freehand patterns. It creates artistic freehand patterns. Even a kaleidoscope has 4 symmetric brushes. It has 4 symmetric brushes. Now this we have completed the third answer. Now come to the next one, that is question number 4. In this, see here, this question is have to solve to you. You may do by yourself also, but I will just tell you. See here, what do you like the most of Tux Paint? What do you like the most of Tux Paint? Write 3 sentences. Means Tux Paint में आप सबसे ज़्यादा क्या like करते हैं, उस पर आपको 3 sentences लिखना है. So students, you may be write by yourself. I am also giving you the some sentences. Just listen to me. Storyboard. See here, storyboard allows you to plan out your whole film. Storyboard allows you to plan out your whole film, video or projects like a comic books. It contains a series of pictures that displays the flow of a story. So by this we have completed answer 4. Okay, now come to the next, that is exercise. A, B, C, D has been completed. Now come to the next one. That is activity zone. Here is a worksheet. Here some questions are given based on the chapters 4, 5 and 6. We will do. First one is identify who am I. Identify who am I. So first one is I am a special set of programs who handles all the actions of a computer. I am a special set of programs who handles all the actions of a computer. Can you guess? Yes, it is operating system. It is what? Operating system. So the spelling of operating system is OPERATING. Operating SYSTEM system, operating system. And in shortcut we say OS. In shortcut what we say? OS. Okay. Now come to the next, that is second one. I am your companion in a Tux Paint program. I am your companion in a Tux Paint program. So can you guess? Yes, it is penguin. It is what? Penguin. Spelling of penguin is PENGUIN. Penguin. Okay. I repeat again. PENGUIN. Penguin. Now come to the next, that is third one. I display the selected drawings in a proper order one by one. I display the selected drawings in a proper order one by one. Can you guess? In which so we can display the selected drawings in a proper order one by one? Yes. Answer is slideshow. Answer is slideshow. Spelling is SLIDE. Slide. SHOW. Show. Slide. So okay. Now come to the next. That is exercise B. Rearrange the jumbled words. Rearrange the jumbled words. So you have to just check it out. First one is it is an operating system. It is an operating system. Can you guess? Yes, it is an operating system. Okay. This is the unstable word. We have to correct it. What is it? It is an operating window. Answer is window. Spelling is WINDOW. This is the correct spelling of the unstable word. Okay. Window is an operating system. Come to the next. That is second one. It is a magic effect. It is a magic effect. So correct answer is mosaic. Spelling is MOSAIC. MOSAIC. Mosaic is a magic effect. Now come to the third. This group contains cut, copy and paste commands. Which group contains cut, copy and paste commands? Can you guess, students? Yes. This is a wrong spelling is given here. We have to do the correct answer. The correct answer is clipboard. Clipboard. Spelling is CLIPBOARD. B-O-A-R-D. Clipboard. So clipboard group contains cut, copy and paste commands. So students, by this we have completed the whole exercises of chapter 6, more about TuxPaint. So students, those who have not completed their books and copies, please complete your books and fair copies with the help of these videos and PDFs. Okay, we will meet in the next video. Before that, please keep safe with yourself at home. Be active with your studies. Don't waste your time in playing games and all with in mobile. So be concentrated with your studies. We will meet whenever the school will reopen. You have to submit your books and copies. So please be active. Bye.